Hi guys! Mag-unboxing tayo nito. Ito yung binili ko to sa Costco. Ano ng kape? Pwede tayong maggawa ng cappuccino, mag-brew ng coffee, mag-ice coffee, tapos yung mag-brew ng coffee din. So, a lot of things na dyan, Ayan. So, pwede tayo ng classic, rich, cappuccino. I think this is in a different, here is the English one. Actually, this is the English. Okay. Classic, rich, over ice, and what is it? Specialty. I don't know. Specialty is cappuccino. So, unboxing natin siya. Tingnan natin kung maganda niya. So, actually, yung bumalik kami para bumili ng panibago pa at ireregalo. Kasi nga, mura lang siya. Ubos na. Naubos na siya. So, pero last week ko lang yung binili ha. So, bago kami mag-trip. And then, ngayon, ubos na sa Costco. That's the only thing is Costco. Pag may nakita kayo, bilihin na agad kasi pag naubos, wala na. So, right. Ayan. Tika, baka So, kailangan natin hugasan yan bago mag-try natin. Ayan siya. Wow! I like it because it's skinny. I like it. So, I guess dito natin ilalagay yung tubig. Yan, dito. Tapos, kailangan basahin natin yung dito yung on. Ika mo na, cut. So, kailangan natin basahin yung manual. Dito yung yung coffee. Dito ilalagay. So, pag single lang, so, dito, isa lang, yung lang. Pag naman yung magbubro ka, I guess, it's in here. So, you have to put a cup in here. Yung filter, I guess. So, yan. So, itatry natin bukas. Mamaya pala. So, ito. So, ang niya, Ninja. I like it because it's skinny. So, it doesn't make room sa aking counter. So, ito. Dito ilalagay yung tubig. Yan. puro guess lang tayo ngayon. Tapos, ito yung ng ice cappuccino. So, ayan. Itatry natin siya bukas. So, dito. Yan, ganun pala siya. So, dito yung tubig. Hugasan muna natin ito. Ito yung manual. So, kailangan natin basahin kung paano mag-i-on. So, pero for sure dito yung tubig. Kasi, yan. Hugasan natin to para malagyan ng tubig. Tapos, makikita natin bukas kung paano siya. Ayan, ito, I don't know, kailangan natin huwag mo nang tanggalin yan. Tapos, may scoop dito sa likod. Ito, siguro yung pag ka ng kape. Para may isang scoop lang. Ayan, Tapos, puro guess tayo ngayon muna kasi hindi natin nababasa yung manual. So, ito, may filter dito. Ito yung filter pagka yung yung maramihan. So, dito, yan may filter siya. Dito ilalagay yung kape. So, ayan, So, dito, Diba? Ganda niya, guys. So, yan. Mag-ano na kami. Maano nang magkape. Ma-addict na sa kape. So, ibalik na muna natin para alam natin para bukas yan, para bukas kasi gabi na dito ngayon. So, bukas na lang itatry natin kasi hindi naman ako magkakape. So, kailangan natin basahin yung manual para sigurado tayo bago i-try natin. So, that's it guys. So, ito. So, makikita na lang nyo pag nagawa tayo ng kape. Ang cute niya, diba? Maliit lang siya. So, maliit lang sa counter ko. Tama lang sa aming mag-iina. So, yan siya. Tamang-tama lang sa amin. Pero kailangan natin ilagay dito yung yung para hindi magano yung lagayan. Yung hindi water, yung filter na tubig yung ilalagay natin dito. So, okay. Makita na lang nyo guys pag nag-try tayo na maggawa ng kape. Bye for now! Okay guys, we're going to try the coffee now. There.
Oh, see?
So, there.
This would be 6 ounces, you think? Or 8?
No, only one. That's the pouch. That's a single. You don't put 6.
No, that's the standard.
Standard? No. Okay, hold on. Okay, here you go. No, you're turning on coffee. We had 6 ounce. And we'll see if it's going to work. I'm gonna love this coffee machine. Yes, and then we can make a cappuccino if we want. Yeah, you can make a cappuccino.
Yeah,
you can do
try
it.
The milk frother.
Yeah. There.
It works.
See? Can smell it, the coffee. Wow. Oh, it smells good, the coffee. Oh my god, now I'm gonna have to drink coffee now every morning. Yes, it smells good. I can smell. Really smell good. See? This is only 6 ounce that we try.
There should have 8. Oh, it's whatever. It's okay.
Oh, next time is if you want it like 8 ounce or 10 ounce.
Okay, well, I'll make this like a frappuccino, like a cappuccino.
Oh, now he's going to make the cappuccino.
Yeah, just like so strong.
Guys, here. She's making iced cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Oh, wait.
You put too much. Too much. Oh. No, like this.
No,
yes.
it's like this.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, now making a bubbles now. It's a good thing. It's quiet too. Wow, this is good. But that's why it's finished fast. Because of it's cheap and it is good. 3 in 1. Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, because when you
see?
poured it, you already.
See, look.
When you poured it,
okay, you poured it.
Yeah.
There. Oh wow, look at that coffee. Oh,
Oh no, this one has the foam. Do you want one, Mom? I'll make you one. That looks nice. I'll make you one. I'll make you one.
okay, enjoy your coffee, cat. Okay, there you go.